If you want to drink with punch. Wait, have I used that before? Hello and welcome to Intoxicated Masculinity. If it's Wednesday, we have a cocktail video coming at you. Today we are going to stick with our tiki theme for July, and we are going to do the Planter's Punch. The Planter's Punch was invented by Fred Myers of Myers Rum. I think he was founded the company in 1879 in Kingston, Jamaica, and I think so. The cocktail probably comes from somewhere in the 1880s. I didn't have an exact date on that, but that seems about right. I am going to use the recipe from Tiki. There's actually a recipe on the website for Myers Rum, but I kind of thought this one sounded a little bit more interesting, so I'm going to do this one. That's all the history we have on it, so let's stop talking about it and start making it. Okay, we've got all our ingredients. So we're going to start off with our grenadine. This is not included on the one on the website, so I think it's kind of interesting, and this is going to add some sweetness obviously to it. Grenadine is very sweet. And this actually calls for 3/4 of an ounce, which for grenadine is quite a bit. Like I said, grenadine is very, very sweet. It's actually pomegranate flavor, so we'll see if that's too sweet. Let me actually try it. Next we're going to go with fresh squeezed lime juice. We're just going to do 1/2 ounce. And I'm actually using a Myers single barrel. I got this at my local liquor store. This was finished in Sazerac rye barrels. If you find these picks out there, I think they're pretty good. They're also crazy, crazy cheap. I think I got this on sale for about $18 or something like that. So if you like real funky Jamaican rums, it's a good pickup. All right, we're going to toss in 2 ounces of our Myers Jamaican pot still rum. Now all we got to do is get some ice in our shaker and shake this thing up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and toss that into our shaker, give it a good pound, and give it a good shake. When you get your nice little sheen of dew on the outside of your shaker, you're good to go. We're actually going to put this in a Collins glass, which is kind of an interesting choice. So, I did not actually double strain that, which you really should. Sometimes it's kind of a brain fart. This is what I thought was sort of interesting with the presentation of this, because I knew this wasn't going to be enough to fill. It does not say to top this. I mean, if you wanted a fizzier drink, you could top this off with some soda water, possibly even some champagne. But I'm going to do it the way they said to do it. And in this case, we're actually going to top this with our Angostura bitters. We're going to put two dashes in there. And as usual, when I put in 2 dashes, 2.5, maybe 3. All right. And we are going to garnish this with a maraschino cherry. This actually also calls for a pineapple wedge. I just simply don't have any pineapples right now, so we're going to go ahead and just go with our cherry there. And there you have your Planter's Punch. Let's give it a try. There's some drinks you take a sip of and it just kind of makes you smile a little bit. This definitely does. It's just light, bright, sunny. This is a very funky Jamaican rum, but the grenadine and the lime juice sort of tempering that a little bit. I mean, the funkiness is still coming through, but if you're kind of scared off by funkier Jamaican rums, this will be a little bit easier to palate, or easier on your palate. If you want to make this a little bit differently, you could switch to do like Appleton Estate Signature. Appleton Estate Signature is sort of very light on the funky side of the rums. That's pretty lovely. Yeah, I mean, you're getting a rum. The grenadine and the lime are mixing very, very well together. It comes off as just kind of fruity, but like naturally fruity, and not like kind of, you know, syrupy or kind of nasty like that. Just a real simple, kind of fruit and rum cocktail that I think you're gonna like a lot. Yeah, and with that bombshell, I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good drink, and have a good day.